Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can play music via Zoom, so let's get right into it. I'll be using Spotify as an example, however, I will not be explaining how you can get these songs yourself, since this does seem like borderline piracy, and you do need to download these songs as files on your device, and that is kinda illegal in most places, so make sure that it is legal where you are before attempting to do this. But if you find a way to download these files, what you can do is go to the computer audio segment in the screen sharing on Zoom. You just need to share your screen, then click on advanced, hit computer audio, and play the unprotected songs, and then click share so that everybody will be able to hear your computer audio or your mobile audio, depending on the platform you're using. Now, to share music on Zoom via screen sharing, pretty much the same thing. You just need to play the tracks, then go and click the share screen button and check the small share sound checkbox in the lower left corner. As you can see, share computer sound, that is what it is called. And then once you check this, you can just click share, and you'll be able to share the music with everybody in the call. As I've mentioned, please make sure to double check your local laws and regulations before attempting this, since this does seem like piracy in most places. So you will need to, pretty much figure that out yourself. If you try to play these songs while they're protected through Spotify, that will not be possible, since nobody will hear anything and you'll be the only one that hears the audio. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.